Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make Bloxy Cola with paper, updated. Fold a single sheet into a cup shape, crease edges tightly, and tape seams securely. Cut a small circular base for stability and reinforce with a second layer. Decorate with colored paper or markers to mimic cola branding. Add a paper straw by rolling a strip tightly and sealing the edge. Test small sips carefully before serving. Gather one sheet of letter or A4 paper, clear tape, scissors, a ruler, and a marker. Measure and mark a 3.5-inch base circle for stability if you want precise dimensions. Fold edges inward with a ruler to keep lines straight and consistent. Roll a thin strip about 3 millimeters wide for a sturdy paper straw. Keep extra adhesive on hand to reinforce seams and decorative layers during assembly. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation: stay refreshed while crafting with the Oala water bottle you see here, perfect for studio desks and busy hands. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab one for yourself. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Start by scoring fold lines and folding the paper into a boxy cup shape, creasing each edge firmly. Create a circular base, glue or tape it in place, and add a second reinforcing layer for longevity. Roll a thin paper strip into a straw and seal the seam so it holds its shape. Decorate the outer surface to mimic cola labeling and test with tiny amounts of liquid to ensure no leaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.